You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that many get wrong, stay tuned. There are different ways of pronouncing it. I believe those who are playing this Elden Ring Night Rain, it's pronounced Wylder in that context. Otherwise, it may be pronounced as well. Alternative pronunciation, Wylder. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.